Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, which has been recently launched in India. And the one that we have got is the aluminium version with the 44mm dial, and this one is priced at 25,990, which is the MRP of this device. And it's a very interesting wearable device. It comes with lots of features. So in this video we are going to quickly unbox this. We'll show you all the features, we'll give you a quick overview what all you get in this retail package and how does it look. Right now I'm wearing a Fitbit, which is the Fitbit Ionic, and compared to this device this one looks fairly sleek, so I'm gonna quickly do a physical size comparison as well. So let's start with the unboxing first. So this here is the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, and we have just opened the box, and this is the first thing that we get. So this is a small box, and it looks like it has some leaflets in here. So here you get a warranty card as well as a quick start guide. Keeping the documentation aside, let's find out what else is here in the box. And here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It does look very pretty in terms of design. It is quite minimalistic, and I really like the way this aluminum dial is made. It is not glossy, it is matte finished, but it looks very classy. And this circular display, this is a 1.4 inches circular super AMOLED display. I'll turn this on quickly in a moment. Before that, let me show you the physical design here. And this dial slightly bulges from the bottom, and on the top it is quite flat, and from this surface on there is a slight bulge which you can see here. And here you get the heart rate sensors and all other sensors here, and there are some branding as well as some other information mentioned on the bottom here. This side you can see some grills, and on this side you see probably what looks like a microphone hole, and there are two physical buttons on the right hand side of the watch. And the strap is also fairly large. As mentioned on the box, this strap is can be from minimum 50 mm to maximum of 70 mm. So just giving you a perspective of the size. And this circular box within the box contains some more accessories here, which seems to be the wireless charger. Yes, it comes with wireless charging support, and you do not have to plug in. There are no physical plug-in cables or cradles here. Just this cute little wireless charger which latches on magnetically to the bottom of the watch. You plug this one into any USB wall charger, and just place the watch on top of this magnetic wireless charger, and it starts charging. As per the information provided on Samsung website, this will give you approximately one full day of battery usage on full charge. The battery size as per the specifications is 340 milliampere hour on this watch. So there are two buttons here, this small circular button at the bottom, and there is a larger button on top here. And this is how the display is, which looks quite attractive. You have to download an app, which is the Samsung Galaxy Wear app, to pair this with your phone. It works with Samsung as well as non-Samsung Android devices, and you can download this app from the App Store. If you already have a Samsung device, chances are that you would have Wear app pre-installed on your phone, and you will need to pair it up with the Samsung Galaxy Wear app on your phone. So as soon as you boot it up for the first time, it shows you the code, and you can just swipe up to pair this. So let me quickly pair this up and get back with more details. It took about a minute or two to pair this up. It was pretty straightforward. I had to install a few plugins, and now this is asking for some of the permissions. I have to agree to some of these permissions, and here we are. It is right now set up. And this is the watch. It is giving me a quick tutorial. It says press here to go back, and this is showing me this is the home key, and these are the apps, and it says almost done. So if I press this bottom button, this takes me home or to the home screen of the watch. And if I keep it long pressed, it is used for turning on and turning off the watch. The upper button is the back button, so if I am in some menu, say here in contacts, if I press this button, it takes me back. If I am in calendar, if I want to go back, I just press this button. If I click on apps, if I go to settings, and say I'm in sound settings, now if I press, it takes me one step back. But if I press this, it takes me to the home screen or the watch face here. Swiping here gives me a quick menu, so you can see that this is the watch face, which is showing me the time and date. This is the daily activity, some quick applications. These are some exercises. This is for the heart rate, this is for weather, calendar, and I can add widgets if I want to. So here are some widgets. I can also control music. Talking of the features of this watch, so this one looks pretty good. The display here looks very nice and bright. This has an AMOLED display or a super AMOLED display. It comes with only 30 grams of weight with this aluminium one, and the steel case, if you pick that up, it will be approximately 42 grams. That is also pretty light for a watch. It has an always on 1.4-inch circular display here. As you can see, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus for scratch resistance. It also comes with 4 gigs of internal memory, and there is 768 MB of RAM. It runs based on the Tizen OS. This is not the Android Wear platform that you would see on some of the Android watches. This is Samsung's own software, which is the Tizen software, and as you can see, it is connected to the phone, and there is a software update available. So I'll just skip it for now. I don't want to update it in the middle of the video. It has running modes, exercising modes, and multiple exercise modes. It tracks your sleep, it tracks your heart rate, so it gives you very accurate health tracking. And there's also Samsung Health app, which you can use to check your activity as well as your general exercise schedules. Your watch faces can be controlled from here. You can also put in something like a chronograph, which looks much more classy. So there are plenty of watch faces here, as you can see, and some of them are like really trendy, like this one. So there are some really good watch faces available here, and this is the discover feature on the app. It gives you some really good features inbuilt on this app. So it's a very interesting smartwatch if you are looking for one. You can also take calls on this. As you can see, there's a speaker phone here and there's a microphone here. So if you're driving and if a call comes in, you can pick up the call from here. You can dial the calls, which is also a very good feature which you would not find on many health trackers. For example, the Fitbit that I wear only has the health features, but it does not have this calling feature. But how does it look on your wrist? So I'm using Fitbit here, and to give you a perspective of how it would look on your wrist, probably if you are a male, my wrist size is about average, not too big, and this is how it looks. Looks pretty classy and it looks quite smart. To be honest, it looks better than the Fitbit that I was wearing. This one is a bit dated now, and this is how the display looks like. A beautiful circular AMOLED display which looks quite good. So for 30,000 rupees, what are you getting? You're getting a beautiful build, you're getting health tracking, you're getting smartphone connectivity features, you are getting speakerphone and voice control over this. This one does not have LTE inbuilt, so you can't use it standalone as a phone, but it can be used in conjunction with your phone. It has a lot of features Apart from health tracking, it has a lot of features like controlling your music, adding reminders, alarms, calendar. So it has a lot of things that you can do. It's quite versatile, and it has a lot of application support as well with the Tizen OS that it brings in. So Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 is definitely a very interesting watch. Is a good buy if you are looking to buy a smartwatch in the price segment of under 30,000 rupees. This is pretty good deal. It's priced at 25,990, but you may get it for a better deal, some discounts going on. So I'll leave Best Buy links in the description section below this video where you can pick one up. You can also pick it up from a store if you want to. What are your views about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.